Greetings, YouTubers. This is WordTech. I have 3 Clovis points to show you. 1 real and 2 fake. 2 that are more an artistic approach. 1 for survival. So I just wanted to show the differences. These, they look like more like fishtails. This one is, well, looks more like what a dart should look like. The ends here, the points, this one at least looks like it could enter a mammoth or mastodon. These look a little duller, more for show, less for killing things. So this one's about 4 inches long, a little shy of 1.5 inches. This is maybe 4 1/4, a little bit above 1.5 inches, and this one's 3.5 inches and a little shy of 1.5. So, and the quarter's a little bit smaller than an inch just for scale. And what bugs me is when you see the pictures of people holding this, it's like, oh yeah, no, it doesn't help me. I can't tell what I'm looking at exactly. So I think it's better just to show 3 in comparison. You can go with that instead. So one of the things that I always like to do for these replicas is right there, signature. That's my mark, you could say. And the same thing's true for this one. I got a little mark there. So I use a diamond scribe, and I actually use a little white ink to kind of make it pop so you can see it a little more readily. So here you are. So the flutes, I think the flute looks pretty good. Seems pretty representative. Let's show the backside of this one. You can see that the flute is a little longer, but that's a previous flake scar, and that's really where the flute goes. So you can kind of see that. What's interesting to me is it's just how bullet shaped this is and how bullet knot shaped mine are. I'm looking for, an art piece really. So if we flip this one over, you can see that's a pretty long flute. It's kind of interesting how it dove in right there. There's something under there, and there's something about little pockets of crystals or whatever that can impact the way the surface flake comes off. So there's something under there for sure. This one, just 1 flute here. I didn't like this side. The other side is no flute at all, but that's the way it goes. I just kind of went, I don't think I have enough material to make that happen. But anyway, so this one actually spins pretty well. Anyway, short answer is not really that close. I mean, they give you the feel, the notion, the sense of what the point was like, but it's like, these are more like quad points. I don't know if most people know what those are, but you can look up a quad point and you can see it has this general shape. And the fishtail does propagate through the type of stone artifacts that we find. But anyway, I just wanted to give people an opportunity to look at it. They're about the same thickness. I forgot to mention that. And they're lenticular. Let's look at this guy anyway. So you see, lenticular, kind of what you'd expect. And it has all the little flaws and the little hinges and everything else that, a person would put in modern age. Now look at that. That's pressure flaking for sure. I know people say, nope, Clovis never pressure flake. Baloney. Even the little flakes go into it. So no, they definitely pressure flaked. At least some regions of North America they did. So anyway, I think I've exhausted all that I can talk about. So there you go. 3 Clovises, no, 1 Clovis and 2 replicas. There you go. Bye.